How to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix if the Instagram notes feature within your DMs is not showing. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your Instagram app and you will get right here. So if I take you to my DMs right here, you will be able to see now we have a leave a note option, and it also shows us the different notes from our friends. So if you do not see this option right here at the top, then you of course are watching this video. How you can fix it? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So if you're using Android, you will open up your Google Play Store. If you're using Apple, then you will open up your Apple Store, and what you will do is you will update your Instagram app, because this is a latest feature, so you need to update. Once it's updated, then you can refresh and it will show the option here. But there's one more thing that you need to do. So you need to go to your profile, and in your profile you're going to click on these three lines at the top. Click on settings, click on privacy, and here we have activity status. So you need to actually make sure that you have enabled the activity status, because if you have disabled this option, then you won't be able to see the notes, because it shows when you have this option turned on. So you turn on this option right here, activity status, and then it shows that you're active, and it also shows you your notes and the notes from your friends. So this is how you can fix the Instagram notes feature very easily. If you want to create a new note, then you can click on this create option at the top, or on this plus button, write anything you want to and share very easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.